Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to change only the black color, black part of a multicolor logo to white using Photoshop. First thing is choose the pen tool, then duplicate the layers, then wrap the black text using a pen tool, then right click, then make a selection. Click OK. Then on that same layer, we right click the logo, then select inverse. Then we press delete to delete the colored part of that layer, the second layer. So next is we choose you can see that the colored part of the logo of that layer is gone. So next we choose the first layer, then select inverse to select the black text of that layer, then press delete on your keyboard. So the only thing left on that layer is the colored part that we select. So now there are two combined images, the black text and the colored part of the logo. So we can export, we can choose the text part of the layer which is the upper layer that has the black text. Then right click that layer, then select blending options. After that, go to color overlay, click the blue, then grab that to the white. So okay, that's color white now. So we can export this, save this as PNG 24 to make it transparent, so you can use it on any other background, dark background, of course, because the text is already white. So that's it, guys. Hope it helps. Have a good day.